I'm joined today by Victoria Keys, who is a partner at Gordon Legal. And Victoria is going to share with us today a little bit about Gordon Legal and what sort of work they do, but also, more importantly, why they decided to become a matcher for our Giving Day, which is on the 11th of June. So thanks for jumping on, Victoria. Lovely to see you again. And maybe if you wanted to just start a little bit about what Gordon Legal does, and then we can kind of go from there.
Thanks, Wendy. As Wendy mentioned, I'm a partner at Gordon Legal, and my area of expertise is asbestos and occupational lung diseases. Unfortunately, I've acted for a number of people who've had lung transplants over the years, and so I've seen firsthand the devastating impact that lung transplantation can have, but also the hope that it can bring for people who are able to have lung transplants and have a good outcome from that surgery. For this reason, when I first met Wendy and heard about the work that she does with Lungitude, I wanted to be involved. I think it's a fantastic organisation, and I think they do great work supporting people going through a really, really difficult and rare journey when there's not a lot of options in terms of support. So I was really excited that Gordon Legal was able to be part of the Giving Day as a matcher. So we will be matching donations made. I think that's a wonderful idea because it helps the money go further for really important research and other projects that Lungitude are very, very passionately working on.
That's great. And yeah, it's wonderful to have Gordon Legal involved because, like you said, it is a bit of a journey, and there are occasions where people, have certain conditions that they pick up through workplaces, and being able to, I guess, get support from a legal point of view is always very handy. So that's we actually have quite a few similarities in terms of supporting people and being along the journey that everyone has as well. So that's good. And yeah, I think we seem to just click when we met as well, which was great.
Totally.
Always good to have like-minded people who are thinking along the same thoughts, and we're very grateful to have you all on board. So not coming up very quickly, the 11th of June, and so we're very appreciative of everything you're doing for us.
That must be keeping you very, very busy. It's coming around the corner very, very fast.
It is, and we're excited this year. We've got the faces of our campaign, Jane and her husband, Peter, and their lovely furry friend, Gus, the dog. I'm sure everyone's seen.
Gus will be a star.
Yeah, he is a star.
I've seen it. He's great.
Yes, we look forward to seeing how that goes. We've got some wonderful supporters, and we're glad for them to be able to know more about you as well. So we do have a link to your website on our Giving Day page, so people can find out more about it there. And if they want to reach out to you and learn more, maybe they think there might be a conversation that's worth having, then I've met a few of you at Gordon Legal, and you're all very friendly, very approachable bunch. So I'm sure people will be very comfortable if they reach out and have a chat.
And I think even if people are not sure whether they should reach out, it costs nothing to reach out and ask the questions. If you think that your condition might be related to work, if you've worked with some toxic things that we know can cause lung problems, even if your doctors haven't really been talking about that because you've been pretty focused on your treatment, it's always just worth asking the question, because there are certain time limits and there are all sorts of things that you need to at least know about, and then you and your family can make some decisions about whether or not that's something that's right for you. So it never hurts to ask the question.
Yeah, no, that's right. And I guess this is one of the areas that we were wanting to focus on a bit more this year is, what other resources and support do people going through lung conditions like this and transplants need? And so it was, just fortuitous that we bumped into each other at an event and got talking. So it's worked out well to have this collaboration as well. So thank you, Victoria, and we look forward to seeing how everything goes on the 11th of June.
Good luck with it. It's a great
Thank you.
campaign.